let's look at number 15. So here's another example where I would immediately ignore my choices. They're all very similar, and I would actually do the problem. So you have x plus 4 quantity squared minus 2 equals 7. So you're going to think about this in terms of it being just like a two-step equation. So on the side, let's just say I have x minus 2 equals 7. I would actually, this would just be a one-step equation. The way this is set up, I would add 2 to both sides, and I would have my x equals 9. So see that I have x plus 4 quantity squared minus 2 equals 7. I'm going to approach this in the same direction. I'm just going to add 2 to both sides so that I'll have my x plus 4 quantity squared equals 9. Now for a minute, let's imagine this as x squared minus 2 equals 7. So I'd be left with x squared equals 9. So you ask yourself, what makes 9 if I multiply it by itself? And 3 times 3 would make 9, but so would negative 3 times negative 3. That's going to be 9. So when I solve this, I solve it officially by taking the square root of both sides, and that would give me x equals 3, but remember, square roots are positive or negative, so it really is positive or negative 3, or you could write it as x equals 3 or negative 3. So we'll take the square root of both sides for here, and we'll have x plus 4 equals plus or minus 3. Now you might think, I'm done, but you haven't solved for x. You found x plus 4. So remember, you have actually said x plus 4 equals 3 or x plus 4 equals negative 3. You can do this in your head or you can show it. You'll end up with x equals negative 1 and x equals negative 7. If you've done this correctly, you'll see your answer up here. Oh, that works. Now, should you want to be extra cautious and check things over, you can substitute them in. I'll just show it with negative 1. So if I plug in, I would have negative 1 plus 4 squared minus 2 equals 7. That would be 3 squared minus 2 equals 7. So 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. 7 equals 7. Notice that's another way you could do it. If you're on the Regents and you forget how to do it, you can guess and check at least 3 and 4. So choice 3 and choice 4 can easily be plugged in. Choice 1 and choice 2, a little more complex. You'll have to involve your calculator, but you could do it. Or you could FOIL it out once you put it in there. But my hope is that you just remember how to solve the problem.